Hello. And
back.
yes, Jazzy is back. It has been a minute since Jazzy has been part of Just Stat, but she is back after recovering from COVID. And how have you been, Jazzy?
Good.
Today we're heading down to Sellicks Beach. No relation to Tom Selleck, great actor. We are heading down there. We got about a half an hour, 40-minute drive.
Tom Sellicks Beach.
Do you know who Tom Selleck is?
No.
He was actually probably in a movie you've seen called Three Men and a Little Lady. Big moustache, great moustache actually.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Stay tuned.
It's calling me.
So we're now down at Sellicks Beach. I'm standing on top of a rock, which is pretty cool. I have never been down here before. It's my first time down this far. Gonna get the drone up. There's not many people on the beach today because there is a high tide, but it's really, really awesome here. One of the coolest things along this beach is the amount of caves and how dramatic the cliff faces are. It's really, really, really pretty down here. We are joined here today by a local inhabitant who happens to be my sister-in-law, Nat. Nat, what can you tell us about Sellicks Beach? Was it named after the great Tom Selleck?
Yeah, it was actually.
There you go, you've heard it here first. It was named after Tom Selleck. I was wrong at the start of this.
Oh yeah.
How much I love Tom. So whilst we were doing the montage, Nat's actually worked out a few fun facts about Sellicks Beach.
It's about 47 kilometres from the city centre, and it's actually on Ghana land, the traditional owners of the land, and it's actually pronounced Wittawally or Wittawadley by the traditional owners.
Sounds fancy. Wow, well that was our day at Sellicks Beach. It was just a wonderful time that we had down there. A special thanks to my sister-in-law Nat for showing us around some places that we'd never seen. Jazzy, did you have a good day?
Yeah.
And she found some shells, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you want to show our viewers the shell that you found? Yeah. Cool. And what is that?
That is a white sea glass. White sea glasses.
Awesome. So thank you so much for watching, guys.
I have one more to show you. It's not really cool, but this side is really cool. Sorry about the sun there.
Well, thank you so much for watching. We really enjoyed making this vlog today. Yep. I'm gonna go home and wash up now. There's a lot of sand, seaweed, and sweat. It's been a very warm day in winter Adelaide. Sorry about the sun. We will see you next time very soon on Just That. Take care. Bye-bye.
Salute! See ya!